Are you looking for the best yoga starter sets? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best yoga starter sets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. FARINOK 1/3 Pink Yoga Set. FARINOK Yoga Set includes a thick yoga mat with excellent cushioning for spine, hips, knees, and elbows. The non-slip double-sided surface provides stability during intense workouts. It also comes with a yoga strap for stretching, 2 support blocks, resistance bands, and a door anchor. The set is lightweight, easy to carry, and store, ideal for on-the-go use. The high-density material and complete set of accessories make it a premium choice for enhancing your yoga practice. What we like: thick mat, good quality blocks, great beginner kit, beautiful gift option, includes multiple items. What we don't like: not very thick, no carrying case included. Number 2. KNOWYOGA 12-Piece Yoga Starter Kit. The KNOWYOGA Yoga Starter Kit is a comprehensive set designed for both beginners and experienced yogis. It includes a durable, non-slip yoga mat that provides excellent support during workouts, ensuring comfort for your spine and joints. The high-density EVA yoga blocks help you achieve deeper stretches and improve flexibility. With a foam roller, you can relieve muscle tension and enhance your overall flexibility. Additionally, the fabric workout loop bands offer varying resistance levels, making them suitable for anyone looking to strengthen their core and tone their body. This kit is perfect for enhancing your yoga practice and overall fitness routine. What we like: thick and cushioned yoga mat, high-quality accessories included, easy to clean, great grip and durability, excellent value for money. What we don't like: mat may be too thin for some. Number 3. FARINOK 1/3 Yoga Mat Thick. The FARINOK Thick Yoga Mat set is the perfect choice for beginners looking to enhance their yoga practice. This complete yoga set includes a thick and high-density yoga mat that provides excellent cushioning and protection for your spine, hips, knees, and elbows. The double-sided non-slip surface ensures that you stay in place even during intense workouts, allowing you to focus on your practice without worrying about slipping or sliding. With the included yoga strap, blocks, resistance bands, door anchor, and booty bands, this set has everything you need to take your yoga practice to the next level. The lightweight and easy-to-carry design makes it perfect for on-the-go use, while the compact design allows for easy storage. With its premium quality and affordable price, the FARINOK Thick Yoga Mat set offers excellent value for money. What we like: high-quality materials, fast shipping, accurate description, bright, cheerful colors. Number 4. Lilyful 10-Piece Yoga Starter Kit. This Lilyful yoga kit is perfect for beginners as it includes a thick yoga mat, Pilates ball, yoga blocks, yoga strap, and resistance bands. The yoga mat offers good elasticity and tear resistance for a comfortable workout or play mat. The yoga blocks provide stability and balance during exercises, helping you achieve deeper postures. The resistance bands come in 5 levels to maintain posture and reduce muscle strains. This set is versatile for gym, yoga, Pilates, and fitness activities. What we like: great value for beginners, useful accessories like blocks and ball, resistance bands work well, compact kit for home yoga. What we don't like: mat is thin and slippery, poor quality ball and pump. Number 5. THYWD Yoga Wheel and Accessories Set. The THYWD Yoga Starter Kit is designed to enhance your yoga practice and relieve back pain. The yoga wheel promotes flexibility and helps you unwind after a long day, making it perfect for those with chronic discomfort. You'll appreciate the non-slip, cushioned material that offers a comfortable grip during your stretches. This kit includes various accessories like yoga blocks and bands, allowing you to explore challenging poses while providing support. Whether you're a beginner or looking to deepen your practice, this set can help you achieve better balance and relaxation. What we like: Great for beginners. Excellent for stretching. Sturdy and solid quality. Convenient travel bag. Versatile for various exercises. What we don't like. Missing yoga mat. Blocks may be small.